What's up, everyone? Welcome back to See My Review. Today, I've got something really special for you. We're unboxing one of the most iconic sneakers in Jordan history, the Jordan 4 Retro Fire Red. This pair has been a fan favorite for decades, and in today's video we're going to check out the design, the details, and where you can grab them on sale right now. So, stick around because this is one sneaker you'll definitely want in your collection. Let's start with the box, clean, classic, and instantly recognizable. The moment you open it, you're hit with that fresh leather smell. Inside, you see the beautiful white leather upper, the black heel tabs, and of course, the fire red accents that make the shoe pop. Honestly, even before putting them on, you can feel the retro vibe coming through. Pulling them out, you notice the small details, the Nike Air branding on the heel, which hasn't been on a Fire Red 4 since 1989. That's what makes this release so special. Jordan Brand went back to their roots with this design, and it feels like you're holding a piece of basketball history in your hands. The rubber-netted underlays are super durable, and the color blocking of white, black, and fire red creates a bold, timeless look. Whether you're rocking them casually or adding them to your sneaker display, these Jordans demand attention. Now let's talk about the benefits of owning this sneaker. First off, the comfort. The midsole cushioning. If you're a true sneakerhead or someone who just loves staying ahead in fashion, then you've got to check out UA, one of the top destinations for premium sneakers and trendy fashion items. This site is all about bringing you a wide range of the most sought-after kicks, from classic Air Jordans and Yeezys to the latest streetwear drops, ensuring that every style and taste is covered. What sets them apart is their commitment to authenticity and customer satisfaction. Not only do they offer affordable prices that won't break the bank, but they also back it up with secure payment methods, so you can shop with confidence. Shipping is fast and reliable, meaning you don't have to wait long to rock your new pair, and their customer service team is always ready to assist, making the whole shopping experience smooth and hassle-free. Whether you're a collector chasing limited editions or simply someone who wants to elevate their everyday style, UA